What is going on, guys? So question, as a tech enthusiast, if you're really, truly a tech enthusiast, like somebody like me that likes just technology in every different fashion, if you don't have a rechargeable, either fingerprint or keypad lock door handle somewhere on your home, I feel like you're not like in that category, right? Like there's like a series of escalations into how tech nerdy are you and how ingrained in your life is tech. And I think today I'm checking that box. This is going to be my very first keypad lock rechargeable door handle. And I'm actually really excited to have one of these. I have the perfect use for it, which we're going to cover here in just a little bit. So with that said, let's jump in and check it out. So this is the smart doorknob that I got off of, if all other places, I got it off of Temu, which I'm really, really excited about. I order a lot of stuff from Temu. There's a lot of people out there that have a lot against Temu. I'm a big fan of Temu. Obviously, you have to keep things, in their current space. Obviously, just know what you're getting. Make sure you're ordering the right thing. And I've had nothing but great success. And I got this off of Temu as well, which is kind of exciting. And it was a better price than pretty much everywhere else, and it's going to do exactly what I need it to. Now, this is a modern take on keyless entry designed to upgrade everything from your apartment entry to your bedroom privacy. Now, I'm going to be using this specifically there's a small compartment inside my garage where I carry my, the things to defend my home. Right, is where I put all that stuff and hunting gear and dog stuff. We're big kind of into that space. And so this for me right now, I've got a key lock, right? But now I got to have a key here. I got to have a key on my keys. I got to have a key hidden somewhere else. This is a great option because now I can just go beep, 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 and open it up, right? That's kind of the idea. And so I've been looking forward to getting one of these, and I finally got my hands on one. So if this is going to be a great addition in a certain level of security. It's going to allow me to do some other functionality, which we'll cover as well, but super excited about this. But yeah, this is going to be able to be used for a lot of different purposes. Obviously, again, for my purpose specifically, you could put this on a shed, you could put this on an apartment, you could put this on your room, you can do a lot of different things with this. It's a very, very versatile way to secure any space. Now, right out of the box, the brushed metal feels really premium, looks really nice, it's very clean, not something that you're going to wear down with a little bit of use. What's immediately impressive is that it's got a built-in lithium-ion battery, right? So this is going to be, it's got a nice little USB charging setup, so you're not going to be fumbling for backup batteries or running to the store last minute. You can just plug it in, basically where you would with your phone, and you're good to go. Now, installation, if you've ever installed a door handle, it's really pretty straightforward. This is just as easy. I felt like this was really easy. Now, using it day to day is where I was really, really happy with it. Now, where is this going to be really useful for you? Obviously, this is going to be great for me because obviously I don't want to have a key, right? But imagine, you've got this thing installed. You've got your arms full of groceries. You walk up to the door. You don't have to, if you didn't get your keys out ahead of time, right? Like that's mistake number one, but that's a rookie mistake. But even today, I will still do that same thing. The ability for me to still get one finger out and be like, boop, 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 pushing in the code and then have that unlock for me is great. And so that's a great way to consider what is kind of the functionality of this. Some of the other things that you can do with this is you can put in multiple different codes, which is great. So like, let's say, for example, I want to have a code. I want, my wife to have a code, and then I want to give a temporary code to someone. You can do all of that, which is really, really nice. So if you're having like house sitters over, things like that, you could change the codes, which is great. So you don't have to rekey anything. Lots of functionality and a lot of different purposes that you can use with something like this. So again, I think realistically the most standout benefit from this is going to be its versatility, right? So apartment renters, homeowners, actually another one that would be really good is going to be like Airbnb or Verbo owners where they kind of renting things. You can give codes like that, which is really, really nice. So lots of functionality opportunity there, which is great. Now, the only negative, obviously, it should be pretty apparent, is that you have to recharge it, right? It does have a battery charge in there. However, there is a battery indicator on the outside that's going to allow you to know where you're at, so you're not going to be like surprised that the batteries run out. So it's a minor inconvenience for a lot of additional convenience functionality. I think, depending on your use cases and things like that, obviously a traditional door handle is one way to go. But if you're looking for a tech upgrade, that makes it very straightforward, very easy. You don't have to do fingerprint stuff. It's just a code. You just got to recharge it, right? So negative, I'm not, I mean, I know what I'm getting into, so it's not a negative for me, but that's just something to consider when you're moving into this type of technology. So guys, at the end of the day, if you're looking for a great way to move yourself into that upper echelon of tech nerdism, and you're wanting to kind of add a little bit more tech, if you don't already have enough of it, to your house, but you want to have a really cool, versatile way of upgrading your home, adding some more functionality, adding some customization, while still having a really nice looking door handle, aesthetically pleasing, you should definitely consider checking this one out. But guys, as usual, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.